Boca YouTube. Very special day today. I'm currently at Anthony's place. We are finally getting my front window decals done. The master behind the PC. Yeah, for those who don't know, this is Anthony.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi amor. Woot woot!
No, he's not Mexican, so he won't be going over the border. Anyway, we are getting my decal done for the front window. Anthony will also be getting one for him, and the dude over there will also be getting one for his EG, the white EG, as you guys remember from the Photoshop last Saturday with the Hot S model.
Nato!
Yes. If you guys want something done like decals or t-shirt work, he's the guy to hit up. I will be posting his name in the link in the description below, where you can guys contact him. He does all kinds of shit, finial work, heat press over there, and I will be showing you later his ugly ass Street Civic.
It's not ugly.
It's got a big nose on the side of the door.
So, Fawaka YouTube, Dano here. Alright, so as you can see, I removed my back seats because I need to deliver this flower stand to a customer, and this is a new concept, so it's a little bit bigger than the usual ones that I deliver, and this does not fit in the other car, so I have to fit it in my car. And I tried folding the seat down, but it's still too big and it does not fit, so I removed everything and we're gonna try it out, see if it fits, then we will be on our way. Alright, so I managed to fit the entire thing in. I had to squeeze it a bit to the front, so the front passenger seat is all the way front, because this piece was sticking out and it would hit on the back glass. As you can see, I hit my back glass over here, there's a chip. But yeah, there we go, let's go. Awesome. I want to do it again. I would love to do it again, but I have the flower stand in the back, so I don't want to damage anything there. But damn, that feels good. Oh my god.
Today we are going to Diaz. Dano has received his decal and we are heading that way to get it stick to his car. Finally.
Yes.
Other people got the sticker before you did. A little Sunday drive.
And it's pretty sunny.
Very sunny.
Alright, getting a slushie. Alright, got some slushies, but I have nowhere to put it. But I take it on race car life, no interior. The slushie is delightful, man.
Told ya. slush is always better in hot weather. That Walbro 225 making some music in the back. And a little update on EJ. It did make it back safely from the track. I did a few runs, but the car was just driving too rich, like 10ish rich. Something is very wrong with the car. I have to still figure out what it is. It's one problem after another. I change this, the other goes bad. I change that, the other goes bad. Pretty soon I'll have a new engine bay.
Mine too.
Dude, but the investment, man.
Mine too. Investment? No. A car is never an investment.
No, maar dat is letterlijk van. Dat is letterlijk van. Je moet zeker zijn dat je die auto gaat houden als je echt letterlijk alles gaat vervangen.
Awak kena sepeda moro.
Alles met de morgen? Va.
BKK fuel filter.
Come on! Wat zei ik je? Oh my god.
Oh.
Dus letterlijk, je hebt die fuel filter verwisseld?
Hi. Fuel filter.
Daarom moet je dan beluisteren wanneer ik je zeg.
Oh, I'm not used to that speed, you know.
Tja.
There was a lot of rust in the filter though.
Dat is zeker van die tank.
Yeah, my tank has a lot of rust in it. So pretty soon I might have to, you know, like
Flush the tank.
flush the tank, buy a new tank, I don't know. Gelet op, ik ben altijd goed.
I'm broke, bro.
Two hours later.
So we're back for round 2 at Diaz's place. Finally, a little light on this junkyard Civic. Domani? Oh, it's a junkyard Domani. Okay, a junkyard Domani. But with the Civic front, finally we can look at this car a little.
Leave my car alone.
The Turkey owner doesn't like when I film his car. Aye. No interior to be spotted, only one seat. A one-seater. So what do you think, Dano? Do we need a project like this too?
We need a project like this. Definitely. Definitely need a project.
We really do, man.
Huh?
We really do.
So I got my Tulen Garage decal, and we're going to be putting it on the windshield of Arya. I guess everyone else has it. I'm the last guy.
Ready? This is the reason why you shouldn't put your stickers in the front, stupid. Stupid. You're gonna give me a lot of work. But it's just the man behind the blade, huh? Charlie, put your finger here.
Please finger here.
What? Your damn finger there.
It's going to be raining again. Look at weather. It always seems to rain in my videos, always.
Rain is blessings, my friend. It comes from above. Everything that comes from above, when she's above, you know.
The one that's got a dong longer than.
Did you ever send a girl a dick pic and then she sent you one back?
Oh, that's so wrong.
It's not a competition, okay? Ooh, That is nice.
That's very nice.
Kami bideng katori, Fujaku.
Ooh. There we go.
Done.
So finally got the sticker, the Tulen Garage sticker on the car.
Yes, as you can see, Tulen Garage, not from this side but from the outside. That's it. That was it for this episode. If you guys liked it, like and subscribe. As you know, share is always welcome. And till the next time, because we've got a lot more to do.
If you guys wanna have one of them, just hit us up. I'll put a link in the description to our Facebook page. Peace. Check this out, man. It's flooded. The street is flooded again.